paper fish. Children, it is a very innovative and interesting activity. Today, we will make a paper fish with the help of a corrugated cardboard. Let's start it. Draw a fish on the corrugated cardboard. Then, cut out the shape. Now, tear a newspaper into pieces and glue these pieces on the fish. Let it dry well. Paint blue over it. Now, take a facial tissue box and paint it blue. Let it dry and then paint a wave on it. Then, take a skewer or a wooden stick. Either paint it blue or white or wrap it with foil paper. Insert its one end into the base of the fish, or you can stick it to the back of your fish with a masking tape. Finally, stand the fish on the center of the box. Your fish looks great. Try these same instructions to make other animals on the cardboard. Toothbrush spray. You must be thinking how we draw these fish. First, take the stencil of a pond scene and place it on the paper. Now, spread some poster colors on the toothbrush. Spray the color with your forefinger on the stencil. Repeat this process with some other colors. See, your beautiful pond scene is ready. Sandpaper painting. You must have done this activity in your previous classes. Now, try to enhance your skill and draw a landscape on the sandpaper with your oil pastel colors. When you have finished your sketching, start coloring it with your oil pastel colors. Give some beautiful shading effect to the picture. See, a beautiful landscape appears in no time.